We're here to guide you through the entrance testing process for the School of Health and Public Safety's Allied Health programs. Are you ready to launch a rewarding career in healthcare? This video shares important information about the entrance tests you'll need to take to apply to any of the following 6 programs: Diagnostic Medical Sonography, Medical Laboratory Assistant, Medical Laboratory Technology, Medical Radiologic Technology, Nuclear Medicine Technology, Respiratory Therapy. Please note, the entrance testing process is not open to international applicants. We strongly recommend completing entrance tests before applying to your program. There are 2 different online tests used in our entrance process. The profession-specific entrance assessment is used to evaluate your ability to understand and follow directions. The CASPer test is used to assess your situational judgment. These tests give you the chance to show us who you are as a person beyond your grades and application. Your first step is to figure out if you have to take both exams before applying. It's important to note that you are not able to retake any component of the entrance testing process. Applicants are required to reapply to the program for the next intake. Now, let's take a more detailed look at these 2 exams. Let's start with the profession-specific entrance assessment. This written exam is designed to evaluate your capacity to understand and follow directions. This online test includes a combination of multiple choice and short answer questions focused on math, reading, career awareness, typing skills, and reasoning. The test is taken on a secure platform using screen captures and video monitoring. If you're applying for multiple programs, it's important to note that you will need to complete 1 profession-specific assessment for each program and intake. There is a fee for each assessment, and please remember that once you pay for the test, you must write it immediately. The fees are non-refundable. To take this test, you'll need a laptop or desktop computer with a camera, microphone, and a strong internet connection. Since this test is multiple choice and short answer, the scores are generated automatically. Your score is also sent directly to your program. To create an account to take the test, please visit certification.medal.com/SAIT/applicant/signup. Now, let's move on to the CASPer test. CASPer stands for Computer-Based Assessment for Sampling Personal Characteristics. It's designed to evaluate your situational judgment by asking what you would do in a real-world scenario. For example, what would you do if a group member wasn't contributing to a project? How would you help a coworker navigate a conflict? The CASPer test helps us better understand your ethics, empathy, problem solving, and collaboration. It's your chance to show us who you are as a person based on more than just your grades. The online test takes 1 to 2 hours to complete and asks you questions based on 14 different scenarios. Your responses are timed, and you'll answer with a combination of written entries and recorded videos. You'll need to create an account and book an appointment ahead of time to take the test. Please note, all test times are in Eastern Standard Time. If you need to reschedule, you can do so for free 30 days or more before the scheduled date. Otherwise, there is a fee to reschedule 30 days or less from the test date. To take the test, you'll need a laptop or desktop computer with a camera, microphone, and a strong internet connection. It's best to wear professional clothing for your video and make sure your environment is quiet for the best quality audio. There is a fee to write the test and a fee to distribute it to each program you're applying to. Test fees are non-refundable. The CASPer test can only be taken once each academic year, and only 1 result can be accepted per application. If you're applying to multiple programs, you will need to write the test once and then distribute your score to each program. Your score will be sent directly to the programs you have chosen to distribute your score to 2 to 3 weeks after completion. To book your CASPer test, please visit acuityinsights.app/dates-times. The CASPer test is scored by a diverse group of people. Each section of a test is scored by a different person, and the group of raters reflects the diversity of the population. Your score is sent directly to the program you've chosen to distribute your score to about 2 to 3 weeks after completion. While you won't receive your CASPer test score, you will receive a quartile, showing how you performed relative to your peers on the types section for the test. Please note that your raw score, not the quartile, is run through a program-specific rubric and assigned a weight. We use this weighted score to help us decide whether or not you've met the admission requirement for the program. You won't receive an email stating your score has been delivered. However, you can check the reservation section of your Acuity account. It will read, "Completed, results delivered," to show your score has been distributed, or "Completed, results pending," if your score has not yet been shared. We know taking a test can be stressful, so here are some of our top tips for success. Since both tests are online, it's key to have reliable, high-speed internet to ensure your connection doesn't fail. Make sure to check your microphone, camera, and internet to avoid any technical problems. Any tech issues that aren't related to the test platform are considered your responsibility, and rewrites will not be granted. Remember, don't refresh your browser at any time, as this can cause the test to be submitted prematurely. For the CASPer test, you'll have access to several practice scenarios on the website, so you can prepare in advance. When it comes to the profession-specific entrance assessment, you should review the academic admission requirement subjects for your specific program. You can also review more career-specific information on alis.alberta.ca. It should also be noted that all applicants are held to SAIT's Student Code of Conduct, and cheating is strictly prohibited. It's important to remember to use the same name and email address for each entrance test and application to ensure the timely processing of your application. If you're having technical difficulties, there are great online resources within both of the test platforms, including live chat and support lines. Since your entrance test scores are sent to the programs you're interested in, all you need to worry about is completing your application. Before applying through Apply Alberta, make sure you meet all the minimum program requirements located under the Admission Requirements tab of the program website. You will also need to submit your transcripts and any other requested documents. If you're currently in high school or are upgrading one or more of the admission requirements, you must provide sufficient evidence of your course enrollment. You can do this by providing a screenshot or copy of your class schedule showing enrollment in the required subjects or transcripts with future subjects shown. Once your entrance test scores, completed application, and application documents have been received, a decision will be made. If you still have questions or need support, please reach out to us at hps.info@sait.ca.